Hey guys, I am Insider.
I did not come here today to talk about hype.
I want to show a roadmap.
Which may look boring at first glance, but once you go deeper, the whole picture changes.
In this video, I will show how Seedli Capital is quietly building, which layers they are locking first,
And why this is not just a token story.
If you watch till the end, you will understand yourself why this is not a random guess, but structured thinking. Let us start.
Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on something you don't see very often in crypto, a clear long-term plan. We're going to dive into the anatomy of a real development roadmap using Seedli Capital as our case study. You know, the crypto world seems to run on hype. It's all about noise, speed, and getting attention fast. But what about the plan, the actual substance behind it all? That's what we're looking at today. What separates a flash in the pan from a project built to last? And that's exactly why we're looking at Seedli Capital. They're laying out a multi-year strategy, clear as day. So let's break down exactly what they're building piece by piece to really understand what this kind of structured approach looks like in practice. So here's the journey we're about to take. We'll start at the very beginning with the foundation phase, then move to product and community, the official launch, its global reach, a big DeFi expansion, and finally, a look at their future vision. Now, this timeline gives you the 30,000-foot view. And the first thing you probably notice are the dates, right? We're talking about a plan that stretches all the way from 2025 out to 2027. This tells you right away this isn't about quick flips. It's about building something real for the long haul. All right, let's dive into phase 1, the foundation phase. This is all happening in Q3 of 2025, and it's all about getting the fundamentals absolutely right. So what does that actually mean? Well, it means they're focusing on trust and security before anything else. You've got smart contract audits to make sure the code is solid, bounty rewards to incentivize people to find any vulnerabilities, and key strategic partnerships to build a strong network from day one. And this right here, this says it all. Before they even think about scaling, the entire base is being made audit ready. It's this painstaking groundwork that really separates a sustainable project from one that just takes risky shortcuts. Okay, moving into the end of 2025, with that solid foundation in place, the focus starts to shift outward, to the product itself, and just as importantly, to the people who will use it. This stage is really interesting because it's like they're building two things at once. On one hand, you have community events and rewards to get people involved and excited, and on the other, they're expanding the ecosystem and getting that investor dashboard concept locked in. They're building the tools and the community in parallel. And now we get to the big one. Q1 2026 marks the official launch. This is the moment the whole thing goes from being a blueprint to being a living, breathing system. This is where the rubber meets the road. The token goes live, you can actually create a portfolio, custody is fully integrated for security, and that investor dashboard we just talked about, it's launched. This is the first time users can actually get their hands on it and interact with the system. So, the platform is live, it's stable, it's working. What's next? Well, you grow. Phase 4, kicking off in Q2 2026, is all about global reach. This phase is all about taking that initial launch and scaling it up worldwide. We're talking about a global ambassador program, strategically pushing into new regions, and really putting a heavy focus on education to bring new people into the ecosystem. Next up, in Q3 2026, the project starts to weave itself deeper into the fabric of the broader crypto world. This is the DeFi expansion phase. So what's the point of this? Well, this is where you get real flexibility and scale. By integrating with other DeFi protocols, adding more on-chain uses for the token, and just expanding those ecosystem connections, the project becomes a much more powerful and versatile player in the Web3 space. And that brings us to the final stop on this particular roadmap, the future vision phase. We're looking all the way out to the end of 2027 here, which shows a commitment that goes way beyond just the launch. This quote really nails it, but here's the kicker. This phase actually includes revealing the roadmap for the next stage of development. Think about that. It's a roadmap that leads to the next roadmap. That's a clear signal that they aren't thinking in weeks or months, but in years and years to come. So let's just recap what we've seen. This whole roadmap isn't about chasing hype. It's built on some really clear principles, starting with an audit-ready foundation, moving to a deliberate step-by-step expansion, and doing it all with a really clear long-term vision in mind. And that kind of leaves us with a big question, doesn't it? In an industry that is so often driven by noise and short-term excitement, you have to wonder, is a transparent, structured, long-term plan the most valuable and maybe even the rarest asset a project can have? And just a quick reminder, this analysis was for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. We always encourage you to do your own research.